May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore, ma'am?
I'm Mrs. Maushmi Datta and I'm putting up in Kormangala 8 block.
How old is your child?
She's about 4 plus.
What were you looking for your child?
When I approached to the school, I was looking for an all-round development for my daughter, and I'm pretty much happy with the way she has grown up with Arunodaya Montessori. It didn't only taught her about the basic things like taking care of her own things, but also the way she was communicating and socializing with other children. So it was a basic criteria that she should be independent.
Which other places did you consider?
I considered a few more schools in Kormangala itself, but I freezed on Arunodaya Montessori because the teacher-student ratio is very good here. The teachers are taking care of the children very well. The small things that is being imbibed in the children makes the children's personality, grow very well. So of course, with a special mention to the principal of the school, Mrs. Shumita Mukherjee, she is excellent here.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
As I said, I chose Arunodaya Montessori because when I came here, I spoke with the principal and of course with few more teachers. I was very impressed with their way of teaching things. They did not encourage rote learning, which was very important, especially when you're talking of maths and all. Children should know how to count, how numbers are mattering. So these things, small things were taken care of like with playway activity. So that was something which was very good, and of course the small things, as I have spoken earlier, like the children being independent, they know what to, how to take care of their things, like for example tying their shoelace, wearing their own clothes, folding it back, all such things, I have seen it. So that's the thing which is of course a plus point of Arunodaya Montessori.
How was your experience being with Arunodaya Montessori Kormangala?
My daughter is here about 1.5 years old, and I think it's very good. I'm happy with her progress.
Anything that could be better?
See, there is always scope for improvement, as she has said very rightly, that we can look for a stage for the sports and the cultural activities that is being carried out in the school. But of course, everything is good here, great here. Only with that small request that the cultural activities, it can be performed in a stage or something in a big hall, so we all can gather together and we can have a that would be portrayed in a better way. That's it.
Based on your experience, tell me two best things what you like about Arunodaya Montessori.
The teacher-student ratio, B, the concept of learning, how they have developed the concept of learning in Montessori schools, how they have taught children with all the materials that they are using, to impart education. For example, addition, subtraction, divisions. This is something which is really good.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely you would recommend Arunodaya Montessori to other parents? 5. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.